WORLDVIEW introduces 6 signs that you are depressed, not lazy. Do you ever have days when you just want to lie in bed and do nothing else? You just wanted to be lazy and not worry about your obligations. We've all had a day off and felt lazy, unmotivated, and uninspired at times. It's normal to feel that way. But we live in a highly competitive society focused on the pursuit of success and wealth that make us feel guilty in our hearts for wasting our time doing nothing productive. When you are suffering from chronic stress because you work too much to exhaustion, it inevitably affects your mental and emotional health. But what if it could be more than that? What if your laziness is more than just burnout? Here are 6 warning signs that you are only depressed and not lazy. Number 1. You cannot cheer yourself up. Do you regularly struggle with inexplicable feelings of loneliness, sadness, and hopelessness? Do you feel tired all the time with low energy? You may feel depressed and frustrated for reasons you don't understand. Nothing you do that seems to lift your spirits or make you feel better. No amount of sleep, comfort food, self-care activities, or fun times with friends can boost your mood. When you're struggling with depression, even doing your favorite things in the past or spending time with your loved ones won't help you feel better. Number 2. You have lost interest in everything. According to the American Psychological Association, a marked decrease in interest in pleasurable activities is one of the hallmarks of a depressive episode. So if you find yourself losing motivation and interest in everything due to laziness, including school and work, then that's a sure sign that you have a serious mental health problem. When you're depressed, you lose interest in your hobbies and tend to withdraw emotionally from those around you. You prefer to stay at home and spend most of the day in bed doing nothing because you can't find within yourself the ability to care enough about anything. Number 3. You cannot separate yourself from it. A feeling of laziness usually creeps in when you are overstressed or working too long, and there are many nifty tips and tricks you can use to get rid of it. So when it's depression is not a choice, and it's definitely not something you can get away with or get over, regardless of what others tell you. Depression is a serious mental illness that requires medical treatment and professional help. If necessary, depressive episodes can often recur throughout your life, so it may take months of therapy to help you cope. Number 4. Nothing triggers your laziness. Laziness often manifests as procrastination and can be for various reasons. Some believe that feeling lazy reflects a lack of self-esteem, while others argue that it's due to lack from others' positive confirmation. This can also be caused by lack of discipline, self-control, and enthusiasm. Then what about depression? What causes depression? Actually, psychologists don't really know. But what we do know for sure is that it's usually not triggered by one specific thing. There is not always an obvious reason for the development of depression. So, if you feel down, depressed, and lack energy, sudden depression may be the reason. Number 5. You can no longer function as before. Do you feel like your laziness is spiraling out of control? Has it become too much for you to handle? Does it interfere with your work, school, or personal life? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may be depressed. To diagnose depression, psychologists tend to look at 4 anomalies. It is defiance, distress, dangerous, and dysfunctional. So if your laziness is disabling you, it will interfere with your daily activities, and it feels like a permanent block in your life. Then maybe it's time to consult a psychologist. Number 6. Your laziness is not an option. Last, but perhaps most important, the main difference between depression and laziness is that while laziness can be changed, depression cannot be changed easily. If you feel tired or unmotivated, there are things you can do on your own to change that. You can take breaks for inspiration and try different productivity hacks to help you overcome your fears. But depression isn't that easy. When you are depressed, it's not the fear you are getting rid of. You can't choose to be depressed or stay depressed. In fact, people with depression often report feelings of extreme guilt, shame, and helplessness as a result of their depression. No depressed person would do that just for attention. Mental illness goes a lot more than that and could be related to the sign of depression in this video. If you or someone you know has suffered depression, do not hesitate to contact a psychiatrist and get help. Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.